I'm Eugene, I'm CTO of Blast AI, and today I'll show you some ways to create a customized AI tools for Canva. So I suppose a lot of you, designers and not designers, use Canva in some way. So my demo is about creating new AI tool for Canva. So you probably saw in Canva, they do have cool AI features like Magic Write. Yeah, I believe it uses ChatGPT to create cool texts. You probably also saw some AI apps in Canva. But here's the thing. Most of the tools are like not customizable because probably you, like me, tried to use the tools and you have to spend like hours to create a prompt for image what will suit you like very well. So that's why I think it's important to Canva users to have some suite of predefined prompts to work with, and you can create that predefined prompts by yourself. So I will show you how to do it on an example of creating replica AI action. I call it replica. So this photo, it's me in taking selfie in bathroom. So let's say you want to use this image in your design somewhere, but you do not have rights, IP rights. I mean, what you can do, you can just replicate the photo and create something like that. So, and it's actually sounds a little bit difficult, but I promise it's easy. So first, to create such tool, you have to go to Blast AI Studio, create an account, and if you already have an account, you can click Create a New AI Tool. And so it's the easiest step. You have to choose AI model, what will be the base model for your Canva action. And you have to choose something from multimodal models like GPT-4 Turbo, Gemini, or Claude. So let's proceed with the GPT-4 Turbo. Strategy. For Canva actions, you have to always use last message. And let's create a title. Let's call it like replica. So you don't have to to define a role for your AI yet. You will be able to define it a little bit later. So save. And yeah, your tool is ready. And you have to connect your Canva to make it a Canva action. So you go to integrations, go to Canva, and add Canva tool. So we are creating new title, replica, input type. So we are going to work with images. So select image, and output, it will be image as well. So, and here it's the most important part. You have to come up with a very good prompt, because I heard a lot of designers, they usually discuss the quality of result images from different models. But I rarely hear someone discussing the input prompt, because the input prompt is the most important thing with AI, at least for this moment. So, and I will use, so I will show you the difference between simple prompt and good prompt. So let's start with a just simple prompt, analyze the image, and provide prompt based on its description. So we will ask GPT-4 to do that for us. So here, prompt, save. And the next step, one more thing, you have to add additional capability. You have to go to capability and add image based on last answer. That whole thing, like additional capabilities, it's like a big topic, and I will not touch it. So just I'll just show you how I add it. So just click button, add capability, and yeah, basically that's it. Our tool for Canva, our action for Canva is ready, and we can test it. Go to Blast AI Tools, and you can see a replica. It appeared in the Blast AI Tools actions. So click replica, and we have to wait a little bit. So sometimes it can take like 10, probably 15 seconds. So you have to be patient. And again, it's a simple prompt right now. So we will redefine it later. We just want to see how it looks like with a simple prompt and our. So here is it. Now we have that image. Oh yeah, I like that more actually. So yeah, and let's redefine the prompt. I have some prompt I worked a few hours on, and yeah, here is a big prompt. Given an image, analyze the content, structure, and style, and blah blah blah. So let's see how it will work with that prompt. So go to integrations, Canva, and this save. And let's go back. Is it? So yeah, and let's try it again. Replica. Again, be patient. It needs like 10, 15 minutes. Oh, seconds, not minutes. So yeah, it uses DALL-E 3 to create images, and it's not the fastest solution on the market. So you can use some other models. So yeah, so we have a new, and so yeah, it added some details. For some reason, it added a bird for me. Okay, but so let's try to redefine the prompt even more. So I don't want to spend a lot of time on prompt engineering, but I just want to show you I've added a variable to the prompt. I call this variable style, and I defined several styles. Minimalist, and I described this style. Again, it's very important to describe in details what you want to get in result. So we have like several styles, and let's try to use this with that image. Actually, I took a photo of all of you, and I want to ask, redraw with new style. So in that action, we can choose a style we want to recreate this image. Any suggestions? Who wants what? Pixel. Where is it? Oh, digital pixel or pixel art. Yeah, it's a lot of digital glitch, cubism. Okay, digital pixel. Okay, let's see. So it's like a new image. It was taken like 3 minutes ago. So it's a real like live demo. Let's see. Probably more than 15 seconds. We still have some time. yeah, OpenAI is not so fast as here is it. Here is how AI see all of you, and I suppose that's somewhere me, but I don't know. Let's try to choose some different style. Like I love style like pop art, and let's do pop art. It'll be like an hour, 15 seconds. So yeah, I probably have to redefine prompt a little bit more, because right now I'm not really happy with the result. But let's see the pop art style. How do you like it? Yeah, pretty cool, pretty cool. So yeah, so again, this is just an example. We've created that tool right now in live mode with you. So so you can create such tools by yourself using Blast AI tools, and you can connect them to Canva as well. And I just want to show you one more cool feature I created. And so I call it sketch to image. So here's a genius drawing. A few days ago, someone asked me, "Is it your daughter who drew this?" I said, "No, that's me. That's I am created with." So and yeah, let's choose the style for that image, because I have a style as well. Anyone? Steampunk. Let me try to find steampunk. I believe I have ceramistic. Oh yeah, I see. Steampunk. Okay, let's try. I thought I also has like cyberpunk. But steampunk, it should be a great example as well. So yeah, I have to use something else, like probably Stable Diffusion. You actually can choose any model on the market. We have like Stable Diffusion, we have Open Journey, Stability, Titan from Amazon. So a lot of, yeah, I can show you. Up. When we select model, it can be DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, Titan, Open Journey, and Stability. And a few days ago, I chatted with a guy from Meta AI, and he said they probably will release their own image model pretty soon. So, okay, steampunk. How do you like it? Yeah, great result, great result. And yeah, I have more time to show you more examples. So I forgot what style did I use, but here is another style of the same sketch. And here is, I use steampunk as well, and it was looking like that. I like that better. Yeah. And I believe that's a pop art, but I'm not sure. I'm not a designer. And this, I don't know what is that style, but it looks pretty cool. So, and you can actually use that images right now when you create like a website or something like that, some our design. I like that one. Who knows the style? I don't know what is the style, but I thought artists probably. So this is like 80s, retro 80s. And this, I don't remember, but probably some Japanese style or something like that. And yeah, so some pop art and yeah, so that's it. I just want to add what again, what you can create these features yourself with no code, absolutely. So it's like just defining your custom prompt and use it with one click. And we also are going to have the same feature for Figma. If you use Figma, in a few weeks, probably 2-3 weeks from now, we will have the same features for Figma. And so stay tuned. Here's my Twitter account. I just signed up today, so I really need subscribers. So please subscribe. I will be showcasing some. I will post some videos where I talk with AIs, where I create some tools. So yeah, subscribe and let me know if you have any questions. It's like if you try Midjourney, so you have to create. I mean, your prompt. It should be like really polished prompt before you will put it in there. But for DALL-E, it's more like it's easier for beginners to use a DALL-E because you can just like say, draw me a cat, and it will draw you a cat and a real cat, and it will look nice. But if you use Midjourney for it, for this simple prompt, you will receive like a very bad result. We can actually like compare. We have a tool. It calls Imaginator, and by the way, we have a like prompt enhance, but it doesn't work very well with Midjourney as well. So like draw a cat, and let's see the different models. Like if we use DALL-E, so Midjourney is more like for professionals. If you know what you do, you have to use Midjourney, because the result, it can be like much better. So yeah, here is like very simple prompt, draw a cat, and looks very nice as for me. And let's do OpenJourney. So it's well, we have some let me remove enhancer. Okay, yeah, and that's the result of OpenJourney. We don't have a Midjourney here, but we do have an OpenJourney. So, and of course, you can create a better image with OpenJourney, but you have to add more parameters to it. And your prompt should be really polished. And here's DALL-E, so it looks like better. You have to use Blast AI tools app. It can. I mean, if you want to create your own like app, not action only, because with Blast AI you can create your custom actions. But if you want to create an app itself, you can do it as well on Blast AI. But it's like more. It's not no-code solution. It's you have to code the app by yourself. Not a big experience, but I like how they do images. So I believe it's not really invented in Amazon. Probably they bought this. I'm not sure actually, but let's try it. I mean, usually very good cat, like photorealistic quality. And did you see? Like it was like 2 seconds, much faster than DALL-E. We can do this girl reel as well if you like choose photorealistic style. File too big for some reason. So yeah, it can be some errors like sketch to image, photorealistic. So yeah, probably it can create like this girl with a cat looks like that cat. I don't know. I did not try it that style yet. But if you come up with a good prompt to create photorealistic images, of course you can create such images using the same sketches, like the same quality, the same genius quality. You can use your own API key from OpenAI.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it's like I will show you. It should be somewhere probably in configuration. Yeah, custom API key. Okay. So you just insert your key and you can use that. Llama 3. Yeah, I've been excited, not because it's better than ChatGPT. It's obviously not yet. But the good thing is you can install this Llama 3 on your own server. And that means if you're concerned about your privacy, like say you're a big firm, you can have your own very smart LLM, because Llama 3 is like, it's a really smart thing. It outperform Llama GPT 3.5. It outperform it. It's not yet as good as GPT-4, but they are working on it. And again, it's open. You can get it and install on your own server. I like DALL-E for its simplicity. I like Titan by Amazon for its speed. And I like some open models because they are open. And stability can give you like very good results. And recently I tried some model, but I forgot the name of that model, what can create images like on the fly. It creates images as soon as you typing, and voila, you have new image like in less than a second. I mean, the quality of this image is not as good as like DALL-E, but it's really fast. And we will add that model to Blust AI as well a little bit later. We use like different LLM to enhance your prompt. It's like instead of sending your original prompt to image generation LLM, we send it to some text generation LLM like GPT-4 or Gemini, and basically that LLM creates a prompts for you, and only after that prompts go to LLM that works with images. And we are experimenting with that like double like chained request. Like we have a very cool feature. It's in beta yet, but in our chat, you can, let's say new chat. In our chat, you can choose like any model we have, and we have a such thing as anonymous mode. What we do, we use our private LLM to replace all personal data we found in your message. And this text with removed personal data goes to the base LLM, and when we get a response, we replace it back. And so what does it mean? That means that your personal data will not be used by big companies like Google to train their models. So your data will be safe. Oh, yes. You just have to add to prompt, like draw a cat, like let's do like a child drawing. And of course it can create like any, as I said, the prompt, it's like the most important thing, your prompt. And it added a girl, photorealistic girl, but like the image of a cat. Yeah. So yeah, you can absolutely do like any image you want. Yeah, we have a freemium model, we have a free tier, like it's usually enough for like casual usage, like once a day or something like that. Yeah, it's enough. And we basically, we have no credit card required. You can like try it for free, absolutely. I mean, not all the models. I mean, the premium models still for free, but GPT-4 Turbo is for free.